Hi friends, Ninja here, and we are continued working with our dashboard. Let's start from icons. Google Material original site is not bad choice. In Adobe XD compared to Photoshop, when you drag objects in drag and drop mode, they open it as SVG format, but not as vector smart object as in Photoshop. Aligning icon relative to the background of the navigation bar. Next we make dividing strip. It must be put in such way so we can get square in the end. We continue to select icons. I'm making the icon a bit smaller than Google. Usually I'm always do that. Try it, and you might results too. Then I wanted to make rounded corners. For this I need to redraw the icon again and turn into the shapes. Then I can easily round the corners. Wallet icon. For this section. And again make it less bigger. And then same operation with rounding corners. Now make the mug. Just cut out part of the wallet for this. Icon in the center didn't fit. I would have to redo it and spend a lot of time, but now we'll just insert other. This one. We continue to work with the chart. It seems that something is missing here. Now we find out what. Fittings. And border is clamped out a bit. Therefore we will draw it. Take linear gradient. Paint the upper paint of the colors of the border, make the transparency a little less, and then also make paint in the color of the border, and then remove the transparency completely. We look for the rest of the icon elements and place them in the UI. Copy and rename titles and align it. Reduce the transparency of the icons, they are so bright now. And the active block on container is more explicit. The first icon indicates that the dashboard is open, and it is in active mode. We create a square to adapt with the guidelines, just for the help. Copy the block and create new one. Next, copy the text and fill the block. another line of the text and at a time. Make a little grayish. Reduce the kerning a bit. And align it vertically, relative to the background. I've done for today. Now it's your turn, guys. I'm waiting for your comments. And remember, do not try to sell your idea or your brand or your skills at early stage. Bring your skills to insanity, and then whole the world will attack you to get some of this. And believe me, it wouldn't cost the price. So good luck and see you in the next video.